In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the missing Bluetooth on or off switch here on Windows 11. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if your Bluetooth toggle is currently missing here in Windows 11, try these steps and you should get it back. Obviously, first make sure that you're checking to see if you do have a Bluetooth adapter. You obviously do need to have a Bluetooth adapter or dongle for Bluetooth to work. If you're unsure, keep following the steps and I'll show you how to check. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your device manager by right-clicking the Windows Start button down on the taskbar and selecting Device Manager, just like so. And then from here, it's going to pull up this menu. I'll make it a little bit bigger real quick so it should be a little bit easier to see. Go ahead and find this Bluetooth tab and select it. And then you should find your Bluetooth adapter within here. If it has a gray icon, that means it's currently disabled. Just right click on it and then hit enable device where mine currently says disable, and the Bluetooth switch now should appear in your settings. Now, if you still don't have a Bluetooth adapter listed, search online for your laptop or PC make and model, or even your desktop motherboard, and just check to see if Bluetooth is built in. If it is, download the manufacturer's Bluetooth drivers and install them. But if your device doesn't have built-in Bluetooth, go ahead and purchase a USB Bluetooth adapter and plug it in, as well as install any drivers if prompted when you do plug it in, and you should now see the Bluetooth toggle. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.